Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about COUGAR MX430 Mesh RGB Mode Tower case. So friend, COUGAR offers a new Mode Tower PC case MX430 Mesh RGB with a mesh panel on the front and the left side panel is 4 mm thick tempered glass, and the device has three 120 mm ARGB fans, two front and one back. And friend, it also includes a built-in controller, and you may adjust the lighting such as hue and light emission pattern using the RGB button or the ARGB function on the motherboard. And friend, the cooling fans are 120 mm into 3 and 140 mm into 2 at the front, and 120 mm or 140 mm into 2 at the top, and 120 mm or 140 mm into 1 at the back, with the radiators up to 280 mm at the front, 240 mm at the top, and 140 mm at the back. And friend, the tri bays are 3.5 inch shadow bay into 2, 2.5 inch shadow bay into 3 plus 1 converted from 3.5 inch bay, include SSD tray. And friend, there are 7 expansion slots, each with a graphics card length of 320 mm, a CPU cooler height of 175 mm, and a power supply unit depth of 160 mm. ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX form factor are supported. And friend, exterior dimensions are 217 mm wide, 371 mm deep, and 467 mm high, and it weighs is 4.95 kg, and the product guarantee is 1 year. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.